Let me remind you, and I quote, and this is the case we are seeing today, that whoever heeds discipline shows the way to life, but whoever ignores correction leads others astray. That is in the Bible, Proverbs 10:17. The reason I am quoting this verse, fellow Kenyans, is because the figures that we are hearing today are a clear demonstration that things are not getting better. And people who are telling others that things are better are lying to them. And somehow, somewhere along the line, we seem to have come to the conclusion as a society that things have gone back to normal. Today's figures show things are far, far from normal. Things are very challenging. And those who are exhibiting the indiscipline that I've referred to, leading others astray, are becoming a common phenomenon. You will remember that 2 weeks ago or so, His Excellency the President de-escalated measures to do with hotels and eateries. You have all seen for yourselves, the media, even people in the media have been calling me and telling me you can see the abuse that people are exhibiting in the eateries and in the hotels. We gave certain protocols, and clearly a lot of people are not following those protocols. Yet there are those who are assisting us. There are those who are observing these measures. There are young men and young women walking back into those places who would otherwise be at home, and whose livelihood is being threatened not by the government, but by those who misbehave and then cause action to be taken across the board and across everybody else.